Hey everyone, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to manage your Google Ads history. First, log into your Google Ads account and navigate to the Change History tool in your dashboard. This tool displays all the changes made in your Google Ads account, including who made them. While there isn't a direct option to clear your Google Ads history, you can filter the changes by selecting a specific date range. For example, if you want to view changes made from December 15th to the present, simply select that date range and click Apply. This allows you to focus on recent changes and ignore older ones. Though you can't completely clear your Google Ads history, filtering by date range provides a way to manage and view changes more effectively. That's all you need to know about managing your Google Ads history. As simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.